how to fix a CarPlay not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general. And then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back to your home screen and your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then try to connect your CarPlay with another car. And if it's still not working, then open settings and click on general. Now scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your passcode to reset all the settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.